IncentiFind Pro is a first-of-its-kind search tool. With it, you can research incentives and locate critical insights to take to design teams, clients, and collaborators so that green building incentives are strategically brought into your decision-making process. And to maximize the incentives captured, you can leverage our Apply services, where our experts will handle the entire application process on your behalf. Our team typically captures between 25,000 and 100,000 per property, depending on the asset type and project scope. For larger projects, the captured incentives can be even higher. Once you're signed up and logged in, you'll visit the IncentiFind Pro dashboard by clicking up at the top. Here, you can query our entire database of green building incentives that our team manages and maintains. We can get started by entering a keyword, such as lighting. Then we can refine our search by applying some additional filters such as location, we'll do state, and asset type, we'll do industrial. The results will populate as a high-level overview on the right. To see the details, you can either click the drop-down arrow to see the quick view, or you can click into the program to see the full page view. Once you find an incentive that you're interested in, click the Need Help Applying. This button directs you to a simple intake form, which will initiate the process of application fulfillment. Rebate programs operate on a first-come, first-served basis and often run out of funds. To ensure you secure your incentives before the program's funding is depleted, we strongly recommend engaging our Apply services early to reserve your funds with the administrating entity. Our team can begin the process as soon as a scope of work is defined. Let our experts handle the complex application process for you, ensuring you maximize your incentives and avoid missing out due to late submissions or other technical issues. With IncentiFind Pro, you move easily from search to savings.